Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the vibrance in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in the Lightroom app, from the gallery, we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After it loads, we can slide the little select bar in the bottom and select color. And in color, if we scroll down, we find Vibrance. If we move the slider to the left, then the colors in the picture are going to become less colorful. And if we move it to the right, then the whole picture is going to become more colorful. This pretty much, vibrance pretty much means how colorful a color is, how much color there is in a picture. If it's very vibrant, then there is a lot of color to be found. And if it's not very vibrant, then there isn't so much to be found. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye!